In today's video, I will teach you how to edit real estate photos using PicMonkey. Let's get started. There are 3 ways that you can make your real estate photos look more professional: adjusting the exposure and levels, and using the clone tool to remove unwanted parts. To adjust the exposure of the image, go to the sidebar, go to Edits, and under the Basic Edits category, select Exposure. Here, you can adjust the brightness, highlights, midtones, shadows, and contrast manually, which all depends on what your image needs. But if you're not sure what to adjust and how much you need to adjust each parameter, you can simply click on the Auto Adjust Exposure option, and PicMonkey will handle all the adjustments for you. You can also adjust each part of the image separately by using the brush tool. To use this, make sure that the adjustments are applied. Now, you can either erase the effect from the parts that you don't need by using the eraser option, or you can also apply the adjustments using the brush option. You can also adjust each parameter depending on what you need. And once you're done, you can now click Apply. Now, to adjust the color levels of the image, go to the sidebar, go to Edits, and under the Advanced Edits category, select Levels. Here, you can adjust the levels of the red, green, or blue channels, and even the whole RGB channel. This way, you can make a specific color pop more and mute down the colors that are too bright and saturated. Just play around with each parameter, and you can always see the before and after by holding the before and after button at the lower left side of the editor. Once you're satisfied, you can now click Apply. Lastly, to remove the unwanted parts of the image, like this time for example, we can use the clone tool. To do this, go to the sidebar, go to Edits, and under the Advanced Edits category, select Clone. First, you need to adjust the parameters depending on what you need. I highly advise scaling down the brush to the same size of the element that you would like to edit out. Make sure that the hardness is not at 100% to prevent harsh edges. Now, to use the clone tool, set the source first by clicking on the part of the image that you would like to apply over the element that you wish to remove. Then click over the parts that you would like to edit out. To reset the source, simply press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard, click your new source, and once the Set Source button is grayed out, you can now go over the areas that you wish to paint over. Once you're satisfied, click Apply. Here is the before and after of our real estate image. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.